So guys, in the world of trading, there are thousands, even billions of dollars that are on the stake. But the main thing is not only to analyze the chart and candles that you have, but also to correctly interpret the news, because the news analysis, the fundamental analysis, is sometimes even much more important than the technical analysis that you can apply to a trading activity each day. So that's why news first, technical analysis after. If you want to get in touch with all the fresh news on the forex and binary options market, be subscribed to my Telegram channel, where we update you with each new information about the current fundamental analysis news about the forex market. Be with me and you will be always updated. Why the news analysis is so important? Let's move step by step in order to understand everything very clearly. First, I would like to tell you about the fundamental analysis. The question is that fundamental analysis, like analysis of the news, different kind of economic data, first of all, like interest rates, inflation rates, and etc., because the huge divergence in the news data can affect like a non-stop candle, bullish or bearish, that will ruin all your stop losses. So this is a very important thing to pay attention to. Secondly, I would like to tell you about market and sentiment. The question is that the first reaction when the news comes is just like a non-stop movement. But after this data really affects the market for a long-term period and really changes the mood of all investors on the market. That's why the good analysis of the news and forecasting can help you to really multiply your balance, and I can really help you with that. The third point I would like to cover is about the combination of technical analysis together with fundamental. It helps you to kill two rabbits simultaneously. This is a very good habit in Poland. The question is that when you can analyze the fundamental news correctly and combine them with technical analysis data, you can get the best results ever, which will result in your money, in your wallet. So that's why with my Telegram channel, you can get all of this. Thanks to the fundamental and technical analysis, their combination, you can find the best entry points for your trades and know exactly when you should to buy or sell the asset and get the best profit from it. Have an ability, a skill to forecast the results of the economic data yourself, not just listening to a daddy or a mommy who is telling you what will be the result. No, there is no sense in doing this, because they can be lying to you or they can just have the wrong information. When you have a skill to anticipate the result of the economic data yourself, you can avoid wrong trades, wrong decisions that you can take before the news coming. Because otherwise, when the news are revealed, you can have a non-stop movement in one direction that will ruin all your profit. Now I'd like to cover one more point. The most important thing is find a reliable source of news, because on the forex market there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of Telegram channels and etc. Just like a private guys who are telling you about the news, their forecast, etc. If you are listening to all of them simultaneously, this can lead to a mess in your head. It's not a way you can work. So that's why you can just need to find several channels, several websites to whom you are listening to. For example, in my Telegram channel, you can get the best updated news. You can just not only believe me, you can check my forecasts, you can try them, implement them to your daily work, and after this you will see the results, and I'm sure you will be happy with it. So that's why I want to tell you, don't miss the opportunity to be always one step ahead of your enemies and be always in profit. All of this you can get in my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So that's why in conclusion I would like to say that, guys, if you are trading only with the help of technical analysis, maybe you will be profitable just maybe within 2 or 3 weeks, that's maximum. But when, for example, you will get the revealed non-farm payroll that will ruin all of your profits within the whole month, or for example, when the interest rate of the Fed will be revealed, you will lose everything you have. So that's why, guys, if you want to be always profitable, be with me, be in my YouTube channel, be in my Telegram channel, and I'm sure Daddy will help you to get your money.